Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to request a trade in Road to the Show in MLB The Show 26. The good news is it's actually very easy this year and it's probably the most straightforward way we have had to ask for a trade. First, go to your Road to the Show player and from the main screen look across the top menu and move all the way to the right. You'll see the messages section. Open that up and you'll find a few different contacts including your agent, your manager and your coach. The one you want to focus on is your agent. Now sometimes you'll be able to talk to your agent and sometimes you won't. If the option is available, it will be highlighted. If it's grayed out with an X on it, that means you have recently spoken to them and you'll need to wait before you can contact them again. Once the option becomes available, select your agent and a conversation will begin. During that dialogue, you'll get the opportunity to discuss your situation and this is where you can ask to be traded to another team. After making the request, you'll simply need to keep playing and wait for a response. For example, after requesting a trade on April 26th, the next conversation happened on May 2nd and the trade was completed at that point. So in that case, it took less than a week. Of course, the timing may be different for everyone and there's no guarantee it will happen that quickly for every player. But the important thing is that you now have a direct way to ask for a trade instead of waiting for a random cutscene to trigger. If your trade request doesn't go through right away, just keep progressing through your career. After some time passes, usually a few weeks or so, you'll be able to speak with your agent again and make another request if needed. And that's all there is to it. That's how you request a trade in Road to the Show in MLB The Show 26. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.